In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So to remove Gmail account, firstly open Gmail app in your mobile. Once you open it, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner and you will see all of the accounts you have available on your device. And from here you need to select the Google account which you want to remove from other devices. So I want to remove this particular account from other devices. So I need to select it. Once you select it, tap on the profile icon, or if you have already selected it, you will see the account on the top list, and then we need to tap on Google account. And once you tap on it, we need to scroll down on the right side and you will see this security tab. We need to tap on it and now scroll down here until you find an option of devices. As you can see, your devices, we need to tap on it, and then after that we need to again scroll down here. And now as you can see, I have two devices where this account has been used. I want to remove my account from this device, so I need to select it. Once we select it, then we will see an option of sign out. So just tap on it. After that it will give you an pop-up. Again tap on sign out and then your account will be removed from that particular device. And there you go, this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.